In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to your Make.com automation workflow. This guide is perfect for those looking to streamline their tasks and manage workflows efficiently by integrating Notion with Make.com. So, let's jump right in and guide you through this simple yet powerful connection process. First, we need to navigate to Make's official website. It's the hub where magic happens, allowing you to connect various applications and design workflows tailored to your needs. Open up your web browser and head to Make's homepage. If you're unfamiliar with the platform, Make is an automation software that connects your apps and automates tasks, thus saving you time and effort. Once you're at the Make homepage, look for the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Sign in using the email and password associated with your Make account. If you're new to Make, you'll first need to create an account by following the straightforward on-screen instructions. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Make Home dashboard. It's like your command center where you can view all your existing scenarios and manage them effectively. From here, we're going to create a new scenario. To do this, find the option labeled New Scenario. It's usually situated prominently to encourage users to start building right away. Click on it to get started. Now, with a fresh scenario page open, you're going to add modules that make up your workflow. Look for the Add button. It's designed for you to add or incorporate various modules into your workflow seamlessly. Once you've clicked on Add, a search bar will appear, which allows you to find the specific app or function you're integrating into your scenario. Type Notion into the search bar. This step is crucial because we want to integrate Notion into our workflow. Once you search for Notion, you'll see various options related to its functionalities and integrations. Select the appropriate module that best fits your needs. By this point, you should have connected Notion to your Make.com scenario, enabling you to automate tasks between Notion and other applications. That's about it. You've now connected Notion to your Make.com automation workflow, opening up a world of possibilities for enhancing productivity and organization. Whether you're automating data entry or syncing information between platforms, this integration is sure to streamline your processes. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy automating!